Hi, on this video we're going to talk about MidJourney, how to get your face and likeness on your images in MidJourney, and how you can do it quickly and efficiently without a lot of going back and forth with different renders. So you can get images like this one on the screen, or that one, or even that one. And so we're going to show you step by step how you can do that in MidJourney. To get this page, go to gionroberts.com/MidJourney image prompts, and you'll get this tutorial right here. The link is in the description. Scroll down to the page where it says getting characters or portrait likenesses from reference images, and you'll end up right where I am right now. If not, you can follow along on the screen, but you want to be able to copy and paste the image prompts that's come up in the tutorial. The first step in getting your likeness is taking a picture of yourself. What you want to do is take a nice clean picture of yourself, have a clear background behind you, a white background that you can crop out, and I'm going to show you how to do that quickly and easily. Make sure you have good lighting on your face, nothing fancy. Now I'm going to show you how to remove your background. I have an app on my phone called Face App, that's the name of the app, and you download that from your app store. I think it works on Android as well. I have an iPhone. You go in and you click on background, and then I use Studio Light. That's the one I like, and it gives you this nice gray soft background, a nice gradient in the background, so that MidJourney has a good reference to go from. Now you upload your image to MidJourney. You click the plus sign in the Discord and tell it to upload the picture. Once it's uploaded, you can then click on it and open in browser and right click on it, and then you'll have a copy of the URL to that image. What you're going to do now is start your prompt to render your face, and type imagine / and then in the prompt area you're going to put MidJourney, comma, cinematic lighting, male, or if you're female, put female. Then your name as one word, so your first and last name is one word, and then the word character after that. This is the name of your character, so it's going to be your name, first and last name. It's going to be unique to you and your character, and you're going to use this character name in every single prompt from here forward that has your face in it. And over time, MidJourney will learn your face and its characteristics, so that it can put your character in different scenes and situations and angles, and allow you to really create a avatar or a character of your face inside of MidJourney. Then next you're going to paste in the URL that we just copied, and then you're going to put no characteristics that you want in, anything that you want to take away from the images that it will create. So a lot of times it adds facial hair, so I put no facial hair, no hats, no eye bags. For me, it kept adding eye bags under my eyes, and so I didn't want that to happen. And then just version 4, styles 1000, that gives it the most detail. The aspect ratio is 2:3, and the quality is 1. You can go up to quality 2, but it costs more credits. It gave me back this image. We see this image, it looks similar to me, but it's not quite there yet. MidJourney is good at getting close, but it's not really good at getting accurate likeness of your face. So I'm going to show you how to turn these images into a more of a likeness of you, so that you can publish this as an image of yourself. Out of those 4 images, you're going to pick one that has the most likeness, and you're going to click on that and upscale that. When that comes back, you want to like the image with the hot, and then go up to the emoji area at the top right corner of the image. You'll see a little emoji area. You're going to open that, click on the envelope icon, and then MidJourney is going to send you information back about that image, including the seed. And then we're going to copy the seed. Next, we're going to render the exact same prompt, the MidJourney, cinematic lighting, male, your character name, and the original URL, and then you're going to add the seed at the very end. When you do that, you'll get another batch of 4 images back, and see if it has your likeness. Another thing that I added here was muscles and broad shoulders. kept trying to make me look like a bodybuilder, and that's not what I wanted. Just modify it to get an image that's close. Then once you hit a character that's close, you can start adding it to a scene. And so what I did here was walking in the streets of New York. That's why I have highlighted New York City. And this is what it brought back. The 4 pictures it gave back to me from my character inside of New York City, walking the streets of New York City. And you can see that it's pretty close to my image, but not quite there yet. It's got a lot of eye bags. I have really baggy eyes in this picture, and the nose is a little bit rounder than mine, and the ears in the bottom one here, the bottom 2 are a little bit wide, and my head looks a little small on this bottom right one. So just pick the best image that you think fits your body type. Now that we have our images that are close to our likeness, we're going to download those images from MidJourney and put those on our phone again. We're going to open up our Face app, and inside the Face app is an area where you can do face swaps. So we're going to take the original photo and our MidJourney new creation photo, swap the faces, and put our original face back onto our MidJourney creation, and we're going to get something with our exact likeness. You can see here that I swapped my face with my original photo, and this is the results that I got. It's a lot closer to my face. The chin is still a little bit off. It has the original chin from the MidJourney, but the actual face itself, the nose, the eyes, the mouth, are similar to what mine are. And you can do this again and again for different images, and this is how I create my likeness with MidJourney. I let MidJourney create the image. It does a great job of creating detailed images, and then I just add my features using my Face app. So the original photo, you notice I had a lot of eye bags. This reduced the eye bags, gave my eyebrows, fixed my nose, and I still kept the background scene of New York City. This one, different pose, different angle, unique image. This turned me into a mad scientist. This was actually MidJourney with no Face app, so this did a good job at rendering my face as a mad scientist. This was a combination of MidJourney and the Face app. I add the glasses in the Face app as well. Add the smile in the Face app. And definitely changed the hair color in Face app as well. So a lot of the details in this image were changed in the Face app. This one, I just swapped the face and added the eyeglasses and the smile all in Face app. Gave me a mad scientist that looked close to me, and then I just Face app my face on top of it, and it gave me a good likeness. You subscribe to this channel because I upload daily videos on how to. I look forward to talking to you soon. If you like the information in this video, then you're going to love this video right here. Go ahead and click on it now. Thank you for watching to the very end of this video. I'll see you in the next episode.